Say good morning to everybody. Hi, squeakers. Hi, squeakers. You gonna say good morning? You gonna say good morning? Hey, Nibbles. So I checked on Mama. She's still asleep, but we opened the pen so she can come out. And we know when we have to put her in tonight, just to grab a few boards and a slide. Slide's easier to lift, and we can just kind of catch her in a triangle and walk her over to the building, which has worked really good. So, but she's all snuggled in there. I kind of want to give her a blanket if she manages to keep that area clean. But hey, you're doing good this morning. Out enjoying the sun. So we're gonna try some more pink eye drops on you. Maybe try and trim these eyelashes a little. Okay, buddy? Have a kiss? Have a kiss? Give me snoots. Have a snoot? Hey, yo. I'm talking to you. Huh? Huh? And you, mister, need to not go after her with these little tuskies. You need to leave her alone.